Good morning, everyone. I'm in live. New York sessions. Let's get it. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on. Let's get ready to trade these Canada news here in 10 minutes. Like I said, I plan on selling USDCAD. Let's get them pips. Yeah, I want you guys to test out the Canada news and the home sales news for U.S. But the home sales news isn't until it's not until it's not until 9 a.m. So yeah, I really don't care about Mester's speech at 1. I really don't care about her speech. So good morning, good morning. Like I said, I already told you what I expected from last night, what I'm expecting for today. So you don't have to follow what I'm doing, but I'm expecting to sell USDCAD, all the US pairs today. Do you set up? No. No, I don't set any of that stuff. We're gonna get ready here in 7 minutes. 7 minutes till Canada releases their news. Oh man, I feel a little bit better. Man. What is going on? Yeah, for those that missed out, I mean, obviously we saw what happened to the U.S. dollar and the U.S. currency pairs yet last night. What time frame? Oh, if you missed out on the video on the live stream yesterday, I talked a lot about the red news. Obviously, you want to take a look at the candles and the 1 minute chart. So I usually look at. If not, I look at the 5 minute chart. So I always use my FX book, the my FX book Forex economic calendar. It counts by the seconds. Investing.com doesn't have that, or Forex Factory doesn't have that. Uh, we're at 1 minute. Let's see. Come on. This is what I use the MyFX book calendar. Obviously, you have 1 minute on 1 minute to make your decision whether you're going to sell USDCAD or you buy USDCAD. Here we go. Oh man, this is crazy. Show me the money. Is this sucker really a buy? Better not be. Of course. Okay, so I want you guys to see what here I'm gonna show you guys the count the candlestick here. I want to show you guys. This is very important. When you look, come on, get out of here, get out of here. When you look at okay, so when you see this red candle going down, obviously it's not this is why I said that you really have to pay attention and take a look at this. This red candle went down, so they anticipated bad news and it ended up spiking up. And all Canada news was bad. This is already indication to buy, not to sell. So that's why it's really crucial to pay attention to the 1 minute chart. Hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. And so this is very crucial, especially when you're trading a lot of news all at once. This is why I recommend. That's why I hope that you guys are not. I hope you guys are not trading live. And so obviously you see my description. I'm still on the LQDFX Demo Account. This is very important. Like I said, this is very, very important to look at. What's up? What's going on? Man, everything was bad for Canada. Jeez, that's insane. Cool. Yeah, I guess that's all it's got for the spike. Usually after the spike, you just take profit. You don't ever want to swing on a spike. I guess that's all it's got for USDCAD. It wasn't much of a spike. 1, 2, 4, 7, all the way to 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6 from 1, 2, 4, 7. What is that? 6. Oh man, time to go back to sleep. Just kidding, I'm not going to sleep. Can't wait for this home sales here. Oh, I think that's all it's got for USDCAD for that spike. Waiting for existing home sales at 9. That's in an hour. Yo, what is going on? We all have those days. Oh. Obviously, Canada news was not good. All Canada news was bad. Oh, well. Playing Canada for everything. No, I mean, I hope that what I said about the 1 minute chart, when you guys look at that red candle, the red candle went down, and they anticipated the sell, and then it spiked up as soon as it hit the news hit. So I hope that, and I hope what you guys saw in the 1 minute chart, you guys can make your predictions right away. That's why, even though I said I wanted to sell USDCAD, obviously that was not a good idea to sell, because you take a huge loss. And so something like that, when you already see a red candle going in within the last couple of seconds, that's why I was showing you guys the MyFX book calendar, because it counts by the seconds. Then you get to see exactly what I'm talking about, and you get to see where the candle is shifting, and it ends up reversing anyways, and it spikes up. Yeah, if you actually sold it on the top, on the very top, if you're going after the retracement. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't even know what they even talked about. North Korea. North Korea ain't gonna do nothing. Spain. Man, there's gonna be a lot of crazy news over the weekend. Man, they're still talking about this tax reform. They must have some really high hopes for this tax reform. What? Wrong one. I'm just checking out the US dollar index. That didn't give me a glitch. Oh, right now I'm testing out the. Right now, I even think it is on my video description that I typed in. I'm still testing out the LQDFX demo account. Um, I'm gonna go live with them on next week here. Yeah, so obviously for those of you that um, were coming in late here, go back to the 1 minute chart. Obviously the anticipation right before, like 10 seconds before the candle went down. And so you don't want to sell because of a red candle going down. You want to buy it. Obviously, you see where when as soon as 7:30 hits, it creates a new candle on the 1 minute chart. You can see it spiked all the way up, all the way back up. So obviously, Canada news is bad. Uh, so hence the reason why USDCAD went up. I wanted to sell USDCAD, but after what I just saw, I mean, there was no point selling it. This is something that you have to test out for yourself. That way you understand how to trade the news to catch the spikes. I don't ever swing a trade position on the initial spike. I just take profit right away because it'll probably end up retracing most of the time anyways. Okay. I'll see there's existing home sales for the US and 58 minutes. It's also red news. I'm guessing some of you guys are hopping on. Obviously, if you look back at oh man, it sucks. Sucks looking up. Okay, so obviously if you look back at the 1 minute chart on USDCAD, okay, you can see that they anticipated selling it right away. And then as soon as the news hits, it spiked all the way up. So obviously Canada news is bad. All of it was bad. I'm expecting the home sales to be negative. So I'm going to sell the US dollar. I mean, if you follow real estate, if you really do follow real estate, or if you are a realtor, or if you're in the mortgage business, you know that you make a lot of money selling homes during tax season and in like midsummer. Usually when fall and winter comes, not a lot of home sales come in. And so it's just basic stuff to go off of. I mean, I read up a lot on economic data releases for US. So it all depends how you look at the economic data releases. Oh man, oh man, crazy, crazy. 50 minutes for these home sales. Come on. That's all I'm waiting on. And then I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna. Well, before I take off when the home sales hit, I want to talk about. Let's see what I was gonna talk about here. Um, yeah, that's our the 5 lucky subscribers that won the giveaway. Um, Obviously, if you want to do a one-on-one video chat with me, 20-30 minutes, that's fine. I just don't want to be talking one-on-one for like 2, 3, 4 hours. Um, so I'll be talking about that stuff after the home sales. So I have not, I know some of you are probably anticipating being the winners, but I have not chosen the winners. So that's why I've been cramming myself with trying to catch up with college homework. It sucks when you're a full-time student and you're trying to graduate. Next week is going to be even crazier. I don't know what it is, man. The last week of the month is crazy. Yeah, you can share whatever you want. You all share what you want. Yeah. Oh man. Oh. I can't wait to go back to the gym. I'm gonna go back to the gym today. Hopefully, I don't hurt myself. Where are the kids? I think the kids are up. Yeah, the kids are up because my wife's got to go to work. My wife's got to go to work here in like 10 minutes. I don't know what it is, but there are some links that if you delete here, what I want to say, you have to delete some of the stuff on the URL in order to post that link. Will I be having a live session during NFP? Uh, when is I'll try to. I always try to have a live session for non-farm payroll. We did a live session for non-farm payroll last month. Dude, I can't get on the link, man. What's going on? Damn, you lost over 500 on what? Holy crap. I didn't even look at your link. Um, Hang on. Tradingview.com. Jesus, dude. All right. This is what you're talking about on your chart. Or is this on the weekly chart or the daily chart? Looks like it's on the daily. Oh, 4 hour? Oh, okay. I wasn't looking. Oh, sorry about that. Also, I'm just waiting for the home sales to hit so I can sell it. I'm not expecting anything good out of the home sales. Um, are you asking me to tell my experience? You're asking someone else to tell. Wait, what? So it is the daily? It is the daily chart then? I'm confused. Never mind. Oh, okay. Let's get some. What? What's this? Hey, we get on. Appreciate you sharing the chart though. What's that dollar index at? Wish I could go on a 4 hour in this stupid thing. Interesting. Yeah, so again, one. Keep your chicken up to gain a lot of momentum. I will be back, guys. Sorry, guys, I had to feed the kids. I'll see the kids in the background here eating. Yeah, what Villian said. I talk about the same thing. I mean, it's nothing new. I'm trying to see how many minutes. How many minutes to? $25 minutes to the home sales. Okay. All right. Numerator and denominator to move opposite. Where do you get the math for that? I like to see the math. You can use math to prove it. I don't know. Does that mean you're using formulas? Obviously, if you look at gold, the second currency after gold is USD. So SAL USD, obviously, if US dollar index, if the US dollar pairs are in front of the other pairs, like USD JPY, if US dollar index is strong, obviously everything else drops. I mean, I talk about the same thing from last night for those of you that were on it. I mean, it's nothing new. I mean, everything is heavily traded with the US dollar. I mean, my 55-minute video in my YouTube channel talks about USD JPY and gold. I mean, I made that video 2 months ago. And so it's not something I came up with, to be honest. It's not something I came up with. It's nothing proprietary. Obviously, so the only way if every currency pair falls, and gold is a safe haven commodity, and obviously if the recession hits, why would gold fall anyways? So I mean, if you look at the US dollar index and you compare it to gold, they're totally opposite. If you compare USD JPY and look at gold, the chart for gold and the chart for USD JPY, obviously they're moving opposite directions. The secret. Everyone tells me there's a secret to trading Forex. You got a secret, that's great. Obviously, this live stream is not for professional traders. Using your eyes. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I haven't had a debate in a while. Obviously, I don't like debating, but some people look at things differently. Obviously, yeah, Euro, Pound, Australia, New Zealand, they all look at the value of the dollar differently. I mean, I didn't even talk about currency trading for dummies, but they even talk about it. So I don't know. I like to see what formula you're using. You're saying use math, but obviously there's a formula that you're using to pinpoint or to price out the value. So I don't know exactly what you're using. So if it's that much, I'm that much of a secret to not share, that's fine too. I mean, no worries on that. Yep, 20 minutes for the home sales. I'm gonna get ready for that. Like I said, I'm expecting to sell the US dollar and the US pairs. What you guys saw for Canada, obviously you saw the little red candle go down on the 1 minute chart and then created the new candle on a green candle going up. So those are the colored candles that I use. $1 slash times equals $1. $1 slash euro slash times euro slash times GBP slash USD equals $1. What the hell? I'm really not understanding the math that you put in here. You guys eating your cereal? Yep. NFP, can't wait. I'm gonna sell NFP for November. When should I close USDCAD? It's on you when you want to close it. Obviously, I'm not gonna plug in the numbers right now. Just trying to figure out what's going on. I mean, obviously, you got something that's working for you, and I don't know where you got this formula from. So I mean, like I said, everyone trades different, and I had never seen someone put a formula just to figure out the price value of the currency. Obviously, I'm not a mathematician. I'm not a math genius. I'm just trying to make it simple as possible. Yeah, I agree with you what you say. You know. Hey, Villian, I totally agree with what you're saying. We don't. I'm not arguing. I'm not arguing. Okay, we're done arguing. Just the whole formula math thing, as Aaron was talking about, I was just trying to understand what he was trying to say here. So I just wasn't comprehending what he was saying. So I'm just, like I said, it's cool. It's cool to see how people look at different the way they trade and how they interpret the forex currencies. And so everyone has a different interpretation when they trade. That's just too much just to look at wood versus gold. Obviously, if I'm expecting to sell US dollar, then I'm expecting to sell every US pair. The only one that probably won't drop the most is USDCAD because Canada took a hit on their negative news. If I'm expecting to sell US dollar, I mean, the same principle. If the US dollar drops, then you buy everything else. If the US dollar gains, then you just sell everything else. I mean, it's just a basic principle. Every currency, Euro, Pound, Australia, New Zealand, looks at the value of the US dollar differently. So I mean, I'll be honest, Aaron, I never heard of formulas. I never heard of taking a currency and you multiply this and to get the amount of value of what you're looking for. Unless I'm an investor or a banker and I'm looking for the amount I'm trying to gain for interest. So I mean, for something like that, you could just pay attention to price. Highs, I always pay like, I mean, I talk about the same thing from last night and in the past 2 months already. I mean, I pay attention to the highest price of the day, lowest price of the day, and that mid-range price. Obviously, USD JPY is trying to hit that 113.4 from last week, Wednesday. We seriously have to break that to break a new high price. You done eating? Okay. Look at all the mess you guys made here. Daddy's got to clean it up now. Yeah, I know. Okay, come on, girl. You're free to go. You done eating? You what? You done eating? Say yes. Come on. Come on, wash your hands. Yes, no. Come on. Come on. Hey, check your diaper, girl. Ay, ay. Whoops. Yeah. Come on. I will be right back, guys. Well, you sharing your number? Damn. Hold on. We take down his number here. Nine zero 450 9230. Got it. You're from Florida? You're from Florida, Aaron? I'll text you right now. Ding, ding, ding. I got your number, Aaron. Appreciate it. Okay, girl, let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'll be right back. What time is it? 10 minutes? Okay, 10 minutes. Okay. Change that around. Wait up. Now. Not messing around. What's up? What are you doing? We go play marbles? Go play marbles. Come on. Now learn something new. Yeah. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Walk, walk. To what is going on in this conversation? Yeah, for sure. Going to message you right now. We got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. I'll be right back. I'm giving my daughters a bath right now. Oh, oops. Thanks. I plan on selling US dollar. Look how much it's already rised up already. It's a lot. Yes, sir. We got 2 minutes. Crap. Oh man. Gotta run back and forth. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Got 1 minute, okay. Hey, I'm still recovering. Yes, I can run, but my legs still hurt. So, oh shoot. 59 seconds, 55 seconds. Okay, here we go, here we go. Ding, ding, ding. What is it? 10 seconds, 10 seconds. What's up? Let's see. Oh, that's it. Piece of shit. Really? Sure did. Sure went up pretty high. Pop 113.5. I'm trying what they plan on doing here. Obviously, it ain't gonna drop. I thought it was gonna do a big drop, but then obviously the home sales was positive. Here's the reason why when USDJ boy hit 113.5, but man running back and forth. Oh man. God damn. I'll be right back. Whoa! Oh, piece of shit. Oh, yeah, sure, it was above expectations. Screw this, I'm done looking at the charts. Man, it shot all the way up to 113.5. I don't know. USDJ price is just starting to fall back now after hitting that high price. Honestly, I don't know what's going on. So, the home sales was very unexpected. Screw it. So I'm just gonna end the video quick here. I gotta go back to my daughter's. I want to pick 5 of you guys for the giveaway, so be ready. Yeah, so be ready for the giveaway. I'm gonna try and message you guys sometime tonight or tomorrow. If you want to do a one-on-one interview with me, like I said, the most 20-30 minutes with me. I got a lot of homework. I got a lot of midterm exam and projects I need to catch up on. I'm a week behind. Like I said, I just got out from the hospital 3 days ago, whatever, 2-3 days ago. And so be prepared. I'm going to email you or send you a private message for the giveaway. So please respond back within 24 hours. If I don't hear from you within 24 hours, I'm giving you a 24-hour notice. If I don't hear anything back from 24 hours, obviously I'm moving on to the next person. It should be enough time to respond back to me. If you there's another impersonator out there just like me that's trying to copy what I'm doing. So obviously, if you think it's me, please message me back and send and copy and paste the email that you think that was for me. Like I said, I'm picking 5 of you guys, so be ready for that. If you want to have a one-on-one conversation with me or video chat, the most I'm willing to do is half an hour. That way I can give you my undivided one-on-one attention to you. We can talk about trading, we can talk about personal life, whatever. And I'll be going live with LQDFX here. When is it, Tuesday or Wednesday, one of those days. And so, like I said, I've just been testing out this demo account. I'm leaving FinPro Trading. For those of you that are wondering, I'm leaving FinPro Trading, and I have nothing against them. And so, what else I want to say? What else I want to say? Why am I having a break? Oh, the 3,000 subscribers. Once I hit that, I will already have a top 10 people, a list of who I'm going to pick. Between from 2,000 subscribers to 3,000 subscribers, I'm still going to keep doing giveaways. Okay. I will try and plan to do a giveaway once a week to one random person. And so someone mentioned that last week before I went to the hospital. I thought it was a great idea. Might as well. And so I can keep up giveaways. Keep giving away, little stuff, once a week for one person a week. I mean, and I mean, there's a lot of stuff I'm trying to work on. I mean, you guys know what I was talking about last night, what I want to do for next year, and eventually you start the nonprofit organization for Forex education. You pass the education course, it's free, nothing's coming out of your pocket, and then I fund your live account. And so my girls really need me right now, so they're trying to get out of the bath. So like I said, private message me if you want to do a one-on-one chat. I'm gonna get with the 5 subscribers sometime tonight or tomorrow. Please email me back as soon as possible. We got 24-hour notice for the giveaway, and I will try to do a giveaway once a week, so I can keep the momentum going up here. And like I said, once we hit 3,000 subscribers, I will have my top 10 people. You're gonna have access to my phone number, personal email, access to all my live trades at all times. So obviously this is something very important to pay attention to. please connect with me, get to know me, and we can keep this relationship going. So I wish you guys the best of luck. And I'll just keep this chat on. There's a couple of stuff I want to talk. Want to keep it going, but hang on. Okay, maybe not. I just have to cut this video. I already said what I need to say. Please read the video description and get with me if you want. If you want to connect with me. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff to catch up on, especially for college here. So I do have Telegram. Here, I'll put my email here. This connects straight to the Google Hangout chat group. Oh, whoops, wrong email. Hang on. Not that one, the other one. The one with the Z, not with the S. And so, yeah, feel free to private message me, and we can connect. We can talk for half an hour, and I'm gonna try and figure out to do a giveaway once a week here. And so please pay attention to your email or any of your messages. And if you think it's me, just send me a message back, because there's someone else that's copying what I'm doing. So I'm trying to think. Like ultimately, instead of me like giving away Bitcoin, I would like to fund people's live accounts. And so instead of like, I talk about giving away like Bitcoin, I thought about like funding people's live accounts, and that would be in the future here. So obviously I want to be able to do that for anyone. Well, other than that, how does hang on. Okay, before I go, I'll put this out here. I know you guys are wondering about this. Oops. Girl, what are you doing? Vera, I'm bugged. Hang on. I'm gonna put the link up for the hangout, and then I'm gonna get off here because I had to get ready. All right, cool. Okay, guys. Should be enough information. Wish you guys best of luck for trading for the next whatever couple hours. I'm not even looking at this. I got a lot of homework to catch up on. I'm a week behind for my college, so I'm not gonna be messing around this whole week at all. And yeah, be ready for your I'm gonna message 5 of you guys sometime tonight or tomorrow. Oh, come on, what is this? And so yeah, All right, guys. So that's all I got for you guys, and appreciate you guys watching me, following me, subscribing, and yeah, be ready for the giveaway. And so, and yeah, feel free to connect with me, because by the time I hit 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick out my top 10 people already. So this is going to be very, very key, crucial point here. Link is invalid. Hang on. Hang on. Dang it. All right. All right. All right. So other than that, yeah, other than that, I'm gonna get my daughters ready, and I gotta get going too. So I will see you guys someday.